The Trinamool is not contesting elections to the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council and Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council scheduled to be held on February 21st. Leader of opposition and former Chief Minister Dr. Mukul Sangma said the TMC decided against contesting after weighing the ground realities. He said they are revisiting how to further strengthen the party, particularly at the grassroots level.
We have taken a conscious decision that it is not necessary for us to fight every election, particularly district council election, because we are revisiting as to how to further strengthen the party, particularly in the grassroots level. Because in absence of proper organization at the grassroots level, it is very important for us to ensure that we look at the practical, rather the ground reality at the ground zero, and it is almost like deciding not to put the cart before the horse.
Director of the College Development Council of